Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App payment field for your protection. So guys, if you want to send money to someone and it's showing the error payment field for your protection, then it means you are going to send the money to a stranger, or you are going to send the money to a person first time. Okay guys, if you want to send the money to a person, please save the number in your contacts and send the money again. And if you're facing the error still, then what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that your account is verified, or the other person account is also verified. Okay guys, if his account is not verified and want to send the money to that person, then you cannot send the money to that person and you're facing the error like this. Okay guys, so if you want to get rid of this error, please verify your account or save the number to your contacts, or tell the other person that he has to verify that account to get payment from you. Okay guys, so if you have done all of these things and still facing the error like this, then what you need to do, just simply close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open settings. Now scroll it down, tap on general. Now let me tell you that if you are connected with VPN, that's why you're facing the error like this. So you have to disconnect with VPN. Make sure that you are not connected with VPN. And the second thing is that you have to go to date and time and make sure that your time zone is correct from here. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go back. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page and you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once it is there guys, then it means Cash App source is down. Okay guys, so you have to wait some hours, and after that you can easily send the money to others. So that's pretty much for today's video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.